On some more news coming in from Raipur, Chhattisgarh as well, where an unfortunate incident was reported yesterday of where 4 people have unfortunately died in a fire that was reported in a COVID hospital in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. This was the Rajdhani hospital where this fire has been reported. Meanwhile, an FIR has also been registered in the case. An investigation has also been ordered by the Chief Minister himself, Bhupesh Baghel, who has also announced an compensation of 4 lakh rupees each to the kin of the deceased. Here's a report.
At least 5 people got killed in a fire that broke out at Rajdhani Hospital in the heart of the city of Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And in fact, my video journalist is, I would like to request my video journalist to kindly pan the camera and show the visuals of the hospital where the fire broke out on the 3rd floor and 5 people succumbed to death. 4 people succumbed to death because of suffocation, while one suffered a lot of burns. Patient's name, Ramesh Sahu, he died of burns, and 4 others, Ishwar Rao, Vandana Gajmala, Bhagyashri, and also Devika Sonkar suffocated to death in the smoke. And the Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has also expressed grief via Twitter at the loss of life and announced a financial assistance of 4 lakh rupees to the bereaved families. In fact, we've been joined by the kin of the patient who had lost their lives. Sir, यहाँ पर एग्जैक्टली कल आप लोगों को कब पता चला कि ये इंसिडेंट हुआ है, फायर लग गया है?
हमको हमारे एक मित्र द्वारा न्यूज़ में चैनल में इसका बाइट जब चल रहा था तो उन्होंने हमको सूचना दी कि राजधानी हॉस्पिटल में आग लग गई है, आप अब जाके देखो फैमिली को करके। हमने भी जल्दी में, मेरे सिस्टर और मैं दोनों आए, हड़बड़ी आके देखे थे यहाँ अफरा तफरी मची भी थी, तो कोई भी मरीज कहाँ है, किधर है, पूरा समझ में नहीं आया। हमने ऊपर से नीचे तक आके देखा, ऊपर जहाँ हमारी मम्मी खुद आईसीयू में थी जहाँ पर आग लगा था, तो हमने वहाँ जाके देखा तो वहाँ पूरा जला हुआ था हर चीज़, लेकिन वहाँ पर हमको हमारी मम्मी नहीं दिखी। तो हम लोग इधर उधर देखे, पूछे तो कोई पता नहीं चला था। फिर बहुत ढूंढने के बाद एक जगह मम्मी को अलग से रखे थे, वो ऑक्सीजन लगा के रखे थे उनको, तो वहाँ से फिर हमने यहाँ से प्रशासन से पूछा, यहाँ के लोगों को पूछा कि क्या करें, कहाँ करें, क्या करें, कोई जवाब नहीं दिया, कोई भी रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं दिए। तो हमने फिर तुरंत एम्बुलेंस बुला के अपनी मम्मी को हमने यहाँ से 4 किलोमीटर आगे हॉस्पिटल में शिफ्ट किया। जी
बहुत ज़्यादा क्योंकि शॉर्ट सर्किट की बात बताई जा रही है, शॉर्ट सर्किट हुआ है एंड शॉर्ट सर्किट एक फ़ैन में हुआ एंड फिर वो पूरे फ्लोर में फैल गया और कुछ 35 से 40 लोग यहाँ पर एडमिटेड थे उस समय, कोविड पेशेंट्स। कैसे, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कहीं ना कहीं लापरवाही लग रही है आपको?
लापरवाही तो लग रही है। यहाँ डॉक्टर एक भी नहीं, जैसे फायर हुए सारे डॉक्टर भाग गए यहाँ से, एक भी नहीं, पेशेंट ऐसे ही पड़े हैं, कोई देख रेख नहीं, कोई नहीं। पेशेंट को क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा ट्रीटमेंट जो भी अवेलेबल है अपने पास है, नीचे है, उसमें करवाना चाहिए। नहीं, पेशेंट को ऐसे छोड़ दिए हैं, चाहे वो आईसीयू वाला पेशेंट हो चाहे नॉर्मल पेशेंट हो, कोई देख रेख नहीं है। बोलने पर नहीं, जो डेड बॉडी है उसके लिए ध्यान देना, एम्बुलेंस बोल रहे हैं कि प्रोवाइड करो, वो भी नहीं हो रहा है। मैं बोली भी कि जो जीवित है उनको तो बचा लीजिए, जो बॉडी है उनके लिए आप लोग मर रहे हैं, जो पहचान वाले हैं उनके लिए ध्यान दिया गया है, ऐसे बाकी पेशेंट है तो मरने के लिए छोड़ दे रहे हैं।
As we can hear that there was a lot of carelessness that also was taken by the doctors after the fire broke out on the 3rd floor, and the cause of the fire is said to be short circuit in one of the fans, which eventually spread to the entire floor. And as I said, that there were 35 to 40 COVID patients who were admitted at the time when the fire broke out, and as the kin of the patients who were admitted here are clearly saying that the doctors and the medical administration ran out on all of them and did not really care to shift the patients. What we're also getting to know that most of the patients were immediately shifted to a nearby hospital, but this particular hospital, Rajdhani Hospital, faced a very, very horrific episode yesterday when the fire broke out here. This is Sumi Rajapun with video journalist Surendra Shah, Republic TV network for Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Let's go across to my colleague Sumi now, joining us live from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Sumi, you have been reporting on ground and speaking to the kin as well as the family members of the patients who have been infected. The latest that we're also picking up is that an FIR has also been registered in the case. Please share more of the investigation so far and what really caused this fire.
Yes, Richa, the major cause behind the fire was a short circuit which took place in one of the fans on the 3rd floor. And that's how eventually the entire floor was engulfed with a lot of smoke and fire. And there were 34 COVID patients who were admitted at the time when the fire broke out. And the fire precisely broke out at 5 p.m. in the morning yesterday. And as we heard from the relatives of the patients who were admitted at the time, they said that a lot of, carelessness was practiced by the doctors. And in fact, most of the doctors ran out on them, and only the nursing, staff was there to assist them. Although their responses were also very lackadaisical, which is why most of the relatives, what they resorted to was they themselves shifted their parents, they themselves shifted their relatives using their own personal vehicles. And there was a horrific situation yesterday evening at the Rajdhani Hospital. It is situated in the heart of the city, Raipur, which happens to be the capital of Chhattisgarh. And the latest what we are picking up right now over this incident is that an FIR has been lodged over the carelessness of the IPC 320A, and on the basis of which 5 years of imprisonment can be charged if they found guilty. And in fact, the CMHO has also been asked to submit a report at the earliest, and after that more investigation and more charges will follow. And certainly what we're getting to know right now is most of the patients were admitted to the nearby hospital, and immediately a lot of havoc was also there. But yes, we cannot forget the kind of carelessness that has been practiced by the government itself, because this is one of the major private hospitals which look after the COVID patients at a time of this pandemic, Richa. So that has also been, that also needs to be highlighted here.
Right. All right, thank you so much, Sumi, for getting us that update. We'll closely track all the developments as far as this case is concerned.